What's exciting at Baby Shark this August? August is full of adventures. Every day at school feels like a new event. This August at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, our Baby Shark Tank children are ready for an exciting month filled with events, workshops, camping, team building, AIT sports science experiments, and so much more. 1. August Boot Camp. Let the adventure begin. Children take part in fun movement challenges, mini games, teamwork activities, and age-appropriate missions. Who can complete the challenge? Along the way, children learn to cooperate, take turns share, follow instructions, and complete a mission together. 2. Creative workshops, little hands, big ideas. Children get to create their own artwork using different materials, from clay and paint to paper, wooden pieces, and recycled materials. Every workshop gives children space to explore, create, and express their own ideas. 3. STEAM and science, little scientists in action. Familiar scientific phenomena become exciting, hands-on experiences for our young explorers. Observe gives ask questions, gives explore, gives discover. What will happen? And that magical wow moment is when curiosity turns into learning. 4. Outdoor camping and team building. Our Baby Shark Tanks head outdoors to move, explore, and enjoy exciting team challenges. Children learn how to work together, complete missions, encourage friends, and celebrate achievements as a team. 5. Dance Kid, Zumba Kid, Let's Move. Energetic music and modern dance routines help children stay active while developing coordination, flexibility, rhythm, and confidence. 6. Music performance, Baby Shark Stage.